Each year, pharmaceutical industries create 2,000 metric tons of chemical waste, polluting our water, harming wildlife, and wasting valuable resources. So the big question here is there a better way to recycle the chemical waste? And the problem lies in organic synthesis. When you want to make a big molecule, it takes many steps. But if one goes wrong, you might have to start all over. But what if I told you guys that you don't have to build the molecules from the scratch anymore? What if you could go inside a molecule and change a single atom without disturbing the rest? Sounds like a science fiction, right? But that is exactly the answer to our problem. It's called skeletal editing. It lets you go inside a molecule and change one atom, for example, carbon for a nitrogen, without disturbing the rest. So, with skeletal editing, now you can achieve the things that once seemed impossible. You can take the leftover discarded molecules and take it and turn them into something new and valuable. Say you have a new drug with few side effects. Are you going to throw it out? Well, not anymore with skeletal editing. You perform a molecular surgery without rebuilding from the start. So this is the magic of skeletal editing. Greener chemistry, smarter fixes, and second chances to the molecules that you throw away. Thank you.